My name is Helen. I am an organizing expert and trained professional organizer. I love making videos sharing tips on organizing and decluttering, as well as how to simplify to make more room for joy. If that sounds good to you, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and come join me for a conversation each week. Today, I want to share a little bit more of my living space with you, and I'm going to give you a balcony tour. Now that summer is fast approaching, we have been spending more time outside as a family, and I love it. It's the first place I go in the morning because I love watering my plants and just making sure that they're all okay. If you enjoy gardening like me, I would love it if you pop down a flower or a plant emoji in the comments. We have been in this home since 2012, and so it's been over 9 years, and each year I find we make improvements to it, and I just love it more and more. And if you're interested in watching our home transformation, definitely check out the video that I'll link above. Just off of our living room, we have a balcony. Our balcony was not very joyful when we first moved in here. I will see if I can find a photo to show you. But I remember at the time I hated the flooring it had, and it felt really small without anything in it. The first year we moved here, we purchased a barbecue, and there is a gas line attached to it, which is great and very convenient. And we also bought a folding table and chair set just from the grocery store, so it wasn't anything great, but you do get what you pay for, and so that set did not last very long. I also purchased an outdoor rug and quickly realized my area is not a great place to have an outdoor rug because it gets really, really dusty. Okay, so let's go outside. The first thing you'll notice is that we have a screen door, and this is a retractable one that we installed the first year we moved in. So here's the overall view of the balcony. You can see that it's not very big, but maybe compared to some city, this is massive. I have no idea. The space makes me so happy in the summer. I just love it so much. And here is our barbecue. We love our barbecue and we use it a lot. And that is actually a pine tree. It's a tree seedling my son brought home from school, and I have no idea what we're supposed to do with it. So I put it in the only free pot I have, which is obviously too small. I know that, and we're gonna transfer it soon. There's an aloe plant on the ground as well as a lantern, and that's a solar panel one. On the left, I have lemon balm, and then going to the right, I have basil and mint. These plant pots are from Home Depot, and the railing that holds it is also from Home Depot. And there are some strawberries, which has grown a lot. It's actually just one plant, and that is a blueberry plant. I had no idea it was going to be a tree. I honestly thought it was going to be the same size as the strawberry. I did not read the label properly, and that's a San Marzano tomato plant, which I also had last year. And this is a peony, which I'm also suspecting it's going to be needing a larger plant pot. And there is also a basil plant on the bench. Most of these plant pots are from local garden stores. On top of our AC unit, there is a marigold. So this is something that my son brought home from school for Mother's Day. It's my Mother's Day present this year, and it's bloomed a lot. I love it. And we have a Bluetooth player that we received as a gift many years ago. Our table set is from IKEA, and I decided to buy 2 small tables rather than one of their larger tables. This table runner is also from IKEA, as is the candle holder. Usually I have plants behind the chairs, but because I want to make sure the chairs have enough room to open, so this is where I kind of push the plants to when we're eating. And here I have some of my other plant pots that's usually behind the chair, but I put it here for now for filming, and I also put it here when we eat. And the flooring we also install, I think probably a couple of years after we moved in. And I love this flooring so much. It's so much easier to clean, and the flooring is also from IKEA. It's these tiles that you just snap together. On this railing plant, those are spinach, and we have been eating them. The white hanging pots are from IKEA. These plant pots are from IKEA, and the railing that holds it is from Home Depot. There is lemon thyme, cilantro, and rosemary. On the door, I have a decorative rope hang that I put on the door with a 3M hook. And this is something I keep out year-round. The only thing I have in the storage room is my gardening tools, so there's not really much to see in there. And these string lights, I just put them on this year. I purchased them from HomeSense, and I used 3M outdoor hooks to put them on the ceiling. So that is my balcony tour. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. That would really help me out. And I would love to know if you also have a balcony or outdoor space that you love. Until next time, choose joy, live well.